Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Layeredge to MetaMask wallet. First, make sure you have MetaMask installed and properly set up in your browser. Next, gather all the necessary Layeredge network details, such as the RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. These details are crucial for a successful connection. Always prioritize security when adding new networks to your wallet. Now, open your MetaMask wallet and click on the network selection drop-down at the top. Scroll down and select Add Network. From there, choose Add a Network manually. You will then be prompted to enter the Layeredge network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. Enter these details precisely to avoid connection issues. After entering all the Layeredge network parameters, double-check them for any typos or errors. Once confirmed, save the network. Then, use the network drop-down in MetaMask to switch to the newly added Layeredge network. Your wallet should now display the Layeredge network name, and you can see your Layeredge assets or a zero balance if you have none yet. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now successfully connected to the Layeredge network. You can now interact with Layeredge decentralized applications and manage your assets on this network. Remember to always exercise caution, verify website URLs, and never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. For more valuable insights, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.